Pisces, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 7th of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and 10 of Swords. Person B here, they have Knight of Cups, Page of Cups, and we have the Hanged Man. Now bottom of the deck we have the Sun card, which is a very positive card. It means that things will work out very nicely for both of you. Positive things are going to happen in the future, so you just need to hold on if things are not going right currently between you and this person. Now from the first set of cards I see you have Ace of Pentacles, which means that you're looking for a new beginning, and with this new beginning you are aiming for stability as well. So you want to start small, but you want to eventually grow that relationship. The second card for you is Knight of Swords, which means that you would want to have some kind of a very honest conversation with this person. You want to go ahead and share everything with this person. If there was something that you were hiding, you want to tell them about it. With the Knight's energy, it will be a little rushed because you want to rush in, have that conversation, but you don't want to stick around there. Now the third card that I see for you is 10 of Swords. For some of you, you may feel backstabbed. You may feel that this person has done something where they have backstabbed you. Okay. Now for person B, I see the first card is Knight of Cups. Now Knight of Cups is a very rushed energy. This person wants to rush in, express their emotions, but they are not going to stick around. But even then, it's a positive card, okay, because this person actually wants to go ahead and talk to you about their emotions. Now the second card that I see here is Page of Cups. This means that there will be a kind of a rushed energy, and it will be immature as well, because Page again shows kind of immaturity. But both these cards indicate that there will be some kind of emotional expression that this person will go ahead and do. Now the third card for you, this person, is the Hanged Man. It means that this person will get stuck because maybe they are trying to think how they want to go ahead and do this. For some of them, they have not yet decided how they want to encounter you and express their emotions to you. Now with this, let's also go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see here is the Emperor card, the Tower card, and the Queen of Swords. Now the Emperor card is Aries energy. That's the father of the deck. It means that this person eventually will lead this situation. The Tower energy is when an unexpected force, okay, hits this relationship. That's when things which were not built on stable grounds, it comes crumbling down. It means that you will not get any notification. All of a sudden things will happen and it will be totally out of your control, and that is in a way a message for you and your person that you both need to go ahead and start again. You both need to go ahead and build this relationship all over again. Now the third card that I see here is Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords means that you need to go ahead and have a very honest conversation with the other person. Now with this, we'll also go ahead and see what is the message that we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that we have is your hard work is paying off. This means that if you have put in hard work in this relationship, it will pay off. You just need to be a little more patient in this. With this, we'll also go ahead and see what is the message that we have from the archangels, and if there is a crystal that can also help you out in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Sunstone. The crystal messages: have you been feeling down in the dumps? Do you need some enthusiasm? It is time for prosperity and purpose. Step out of your power and be all that you are meant to be. You are aligned with the magnificence and the courage to show your splendor. With this, we'll also see that there's a message here from Archangel Ariel, which I'll put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.